Hi, in this tutorial we will be managing abnormal baggage in ABOMIS DCS. Sometimes an abnormal bag is checked in due to busy schedules, typos, or any other errors. The abnormal bag remains in the system history even after correction and offloading. It can cause issues for the counter. In this regard, an alert is set in ABOMIS DCS to warn the check-in agent of this issue. For example, a passenger named Wood Marty has come to the counter, and we intend to assign a bag to him. We want to assign a 20 kilogram bag to him, but we clumsily assign 10 bags of 200 kilograms instead. We select a seat and click check-in. The system warns that the passenger you want to check in and assign baggage to has abnormal baggage. Are we sure? This warning should help you realize that the information we initially typed was incorrect. In this case, click on No, edit the baggage, and check in your passenger. Let's suppose the following question. What happens if abnormal baggage is added, and how can we check? Consider this. There is another passenger named Petite Noah. We select the passenger and assign 10 bags with a total weight of 1 kilogram to him, which is considered abnormal baggage. Then we select the seat and click check-in. The system warns us of an abnormal baggage condition. If we ignore the alert and click yes, the check-in process will be completed. Meanwhile, we can track abnormal baggage on your flight by clicking on the timeline option. Here is the information relating to Mr. Petite's baggage, which we can see by the sequence number, time of check-in, tag ID, and the agent who checked in the bag. In this section, we can see that an abnormal bag was added with the following information. Sequence number 34, 10 pieces, and 1 kilogram. We can easily track the bag if, for example, we search for the sequence number 34. Here, we can see the passenger that we assigned 10 pieces and 1 kilogram to. It is shown on the abnormal baggage section on the timeline. And that's how we identify abnormal baggage. Thank you for watching.